Today, we are taking a look at a new backpack from Tolaccea. The Ulife 06 40-liter modular waterproof travel backpack. It's shipped in a sturdy protective cardboard box, plain, with the Tolaccea logo. This particular backpack promises to solve one of the biggest headaches of packing: organization. And as you will see, it comes with its own packing cubes, a quick access laptop area, and the ability to easily convert between a small, hand-carried luggage case to a backpack. Overall, this versatility makes it possible to use this backpack as your only piece of luggage for a 3 to 5 day trip. Out of the box, we see it is protected in a large, reusable Ziploc bag. It is about 12 inches wide, 22 inches long, and 10 inches deep. This makes it easily stowable in any airline overhead bin. However, it is a bit too tall to qualify as a personal item for slipping under the seat. There is an instruction booklet attached to the backpack using a metal cable loop. It provides you with backpack dimensions, key features and a product overview, the interior layout, packing cubes and multiple carrying option information, safety features, and cleaning and maintenance information. The backpack material is thick and durable. It's a dense Oxford cloth with a robust nylon build. Although it is marketed as a waterproof backpack, we should note that it is highly water repellent, but not like a dry sack, for trekking in heavy downpours or submerging in lakes or rivers. But it is protective enough for walking regular distances in the rain. Let's go ahead and pull out all of the accessories, so we can walk through everything you get with this backpack. Tucked inside are the backpack straps, along with the 3 packing cubes. The first thing we will do is set the product up in backpack mode. Flipping it over, we see there are some small loops at the bottom of the backpack. The straps end in a small, lockable buckle. These buckles attach to the loops at the bottom to make the bag into a backpack. To open the buckles, you just squeeze them slightly and flip open the lock. Then, you can slip the buckle into the bottom attachment loop and then re-lock it in place. And now, your backpack is ready to go. Next, let's move through each of the pockets and compartments, so you get an idea of all of the storage spaces available. The first compartment is Tolaccea's signature wet-dry storage area. To access it, we have to unbuckle some bottom straps and also unzip the zippers around the section. Inside is a 7-liter area that is both vented and lined with waterproof aluminum film. This keeps dirty or wet items separate from other areas of the backpack. The outside is also lined with straps that you can attach items to, with carabiners or other fasteners. The next section we open is at the top of the backpack. It is what Tolaccea refers to as a velvet-lined glasses pocket. It also has a small loop inside that you can clip items like keys or an AirTag to. It is a great, easy access section, but to be honest, probably not protective enough to put your glasses in there without a case. Now we are onto the main compartment. And as mentioned, the Ulife 06 is all about organization. On this side, there are 4 zippered mesh sections, which you can use to organize and store various items, like charging cables, power banks, wipes, mini first aid kits, and more. The main section is huge, and being able to open the backpack like a suitcase makes packing and unpacking easy. Here is where you use the included packing cube. The toiletry bag has side pockets, and inside there are a number of organizing sections to keep your toiletries organized. Inside, we also find the included shoulder strap. Another great accessory, the shoulder strap easily attaches to any of the packing cubes, allowing it to be used as a small crossbody pouch for daily activity while traveling. You merely clip each end of the strap to the orange loops, found on any of the 3 modular packing cubes, and you are ready to go. We found that for an everyday carry, the toiletry bag is probably the most suitable, since it has side pockets and inside dividers. However, it is also the smallest bag, with a volume of about 5 liters. This next cube is the small cube. It is a little bigger, with a volume of 6 liters. Inside, there are no dividers. We found this was perfect for storing underwear, socks, and a few t-shirts. Finally, the large cube has a volume of 7.5 liters. Large enough for a few pair of pants, shirts, and even a lightweight jacket or sweater. Even with the packing cubes filled, there is still some room in the main compartment to throw a raincoat or other accessories. With everything packed in, there is a convenient, quick access flap you can unzip to access the top mesh pockets, the main compartment, and the laptop sleeve. The backpack can easily accommodate a large 15.6-inch laptop. As a backpack, this bag is actually quite comfortable. There is an adjustable chest strap, and both the shoulder straps and the back of the pack are well padded. The padding on the back panel is breathable mesh, providing comfort and airflow. Also, on the back, you will find a luggage strap. There is also a snap there, used when converting to hand luggage. Speaking of hand luggage, on the one side, there is a set of handles you can use to carry the bag. On the other side, you will find a large pocket, with a drawstring, that can easily hold any size water bottle, umbrella, or any other items. The drawstring is nice, as it allows you to secure any size item. Once you are fully packed, you can use the 4 compression straps, located on the 4 corners of the backpack, to tighten the pack, reducing bulk and any unused space. This is especially convenient to make sure that it is not too fat to fit in overhead compartments. Also, tightening the straps prevent items from shifting around inside, and makes the bag more balanced and easier to carry. This reduces strain on your shoulders and back when using the bag in backpack mode. Now, let's switch to hand carry or luggage mode. To do that, we flip back over to the back side. And now, we have to unclip the shoulder straps. Similar to when we clipped them to the bottom loops, we squeeze the buckles and unlock them. And then remove them from the bottom loops. Once free, you unsnap the back panel and stow the shoulder straps behind the back padding. Once stowed, just snap the strap back in place, and now you have a hand carry piece of luggage as opposed to a backpack. There is also a durable carry strap at the top of the backpack you can use. And if that is not enough, there are 2 semi-hidden pouches on this backpack. One is on the side with the handles, that has a little pouch along with a strap with a clip. And another one is at the top of the backpack, for quick access to small items. To wrap it up, the Tolaccea Ulife 06 is a perfect bag for the organized traveler, who needs to carry a lot of different things, and keep them perfectly separated. We did receive this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.